So, okay, in the first PUC syllabus, the first chapter, basic concepts of chemistry. So, before going to start the basic concepts of chemistry, first introduction. So, first, what is science? Science is a systematic knowledge acquired by the human beings, careful observation and experiments is called science. Science nowadays very important aspects and very essential for in various fields. This science can be further classified into physics, chemistry, biology and mathematics and geology So these are the four important branches comes under science: physics, chemistry, mathematics and geology. So first you should know what is chemistry. So chemistry is a branch of science which deals with the study of matter and its composition and physical and chemical charges of various process is called as the chemistry. Chemistry is a branch of science which deals with the study of matter and its composition. So this one is very important concept, matter. So after that, this chemistry can be further classified into three branches. One is inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry and physical chemistry. Chemistry can be further classified into three branches: inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry and physical chemistry. So inorganic chemistry is a chemistry which deals with the study of all elements except carbon. So organic chemistry is a branch of chemistry which deals with the study of carbon and its derivatives of hydrocarbons. So next, physical chemistry. So physical chemistry is a branch of chemistry which deals with the fundamental principles and physical and chemical charges in various processes. So we can call it as the physical chemistry. So chemistry can be further classified three branches. So one is inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry and physical chemistry. In the inorganic chemistry, we studied or which deals with the all elements except carbon. Here organic chemistry studied only for carbon compounds and derivatives of hydrocarbons. Physical chemistry is the fundamental principles, is the instrumentation techniques. So these are the important branches of the chemistry: organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry and physical chemistry. So after that, the next concept is importance of chemistry. So before going to start the importance of chemistry, first once again we can go into recall. So introduction is very important. First you should know what is science. Science is the systematic knowledge acquired by human being, careful observation and experiments. So this science can be classified into four classes. So one is physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics and geology. So in the chemistry we are focusing what is chemistry. So chemistry is a branch of science which deals with the study of matter and its composition. After that, this chemistry can be further classified or further divided into, so here three branches like here. So inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry and physical chemistry. In the inorganic chemistry deals only all elements except carbon. Organic chemistry studied carbon compounds and its derivatives of hydrocarbons Next, physical chemistry. So physical chemistry is the study of fundamental principles. Okay. So after that, next we move on to the concept importance of chemistry. So nowadays, so chemistry is very important aspects and very important in our daily life. The first important application for chemistry is one is medicine. One is medicinal field. The second one is fuel. The second one is the fuels, and the third one is agricultural field. Agricultural field, and the fourth one is domestic purpose and domestic uses. These are the important applications of medicines, fuels, agricultural and domestic purpose. So these are the important this one. So medicinal field, fuels, agricultural and domestic. So in the medicinal field, various medicines are there. So nowadays, one important concept is Taxol and cisplatin. These are the two important drugs which are used for the treatment of cancer therapy. And one more drug is there, azithromycin. Azithromycin is one of the drug which is used for the treatment of AIDS victims. So and again, medicinal field like antiseptics, analgesics, antipyretics and antibiotics. So these are the drugs we can use for the medicinal field. These are the medicinal application for the chemistry. The next is fuels. So fuels are like petrols and kerosene, diesel and propellants of rockets. So this is an application field for fuels. Fuels are used in petrol, kerosene, diesel and propellants of rockets. These are the same. And next we can go for the agricultural field. In the agricultural field, various chemical fertilizers are there like diammonium phosphate and urea and ammonium trinitrophosphate and so many chemical fertilizers are there. These fertilizers are essential for cropping purpose. Next, domestic purpose. So domestic purpose means in fiber industries, textile industries and paper industries and so many industries they have domestic purpose. We can go with the important application for the importance of chemistry. So we can have to remember only for the important applications and important uses for chemistry is one is medicinal field, fuels and agricultural field and domestic purpose. In the medicines like analgesics, antiseptics and antipyretics drugs are there. So after that fuels like LPG and one more addition is called LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. So and petrol, kerosene, diesel and propellants of rockets. And next agricultural field like chemical fertilizers. And after that domestic purpose like paper industries and fiber industries, textile industries and so many domestic purpose. So these are the importance of chemistry. So I will move on to once again conclude all the concepts. So first PUC students, you can observe carefully introduction about the some basic concepts of chemistry. Before going to start the this chapter, you should know about what is science. So science, and after that science having 4 branches. So physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics and geology. So after chemistry, what is chemistry? So chemistry is a branch of science which deals with the study of matter and its composition composition. So after that, this chemistry can be further classified into three branches: inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry, and physical chemistry. Inorganic chemistry means we studied all elements except carbon. Organic chemistry, we studied only for the carbon compounds and derivatives of hydrocarbons. Physical chemistry, we studied only for the fundamental principles and instrumentation techniques. So after this one, next, importance of chemistry. So chemistry importance is very essential, and these are the important major fields: medicinal field, and then fuels, and then you can go for the agricultural field, and then go with the domestic purpose. So these are the importance of the chemistry. So next concept, matter. So matter. So I will move on to the next concept, matter, in the next class. So I will tell you some brief introduction about the matter. So matter is anything that occupies space and mass. Anything that has mass and space. So ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿಗೂ particular space ಇರಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತೆ mass ಇರಬೇಕು. So that one we can call it as the matter. Okay. So I will continue in the next class for the matter and its important physical states of matter and what are the difference between matter. So I will continue in the next class. So thank you, one and all.